Hello everybody, it's Chris from the Gunpla Network, and it's time for your Gunpla Network news for November 29th, 2018. First up, we have the HGBD 1144 Gundam Zerachiel. This will be released February of 2019 with a price of 2,700 yen. Next, we have the HGUC 1144 Narrative Apex. This will be released November of 2018 with a list price of 5,940 yen. Next, we have the Master Grade 1100 H2 Magnum. This will be released March of 2019, and we don't have a price as of yet. Then we have the Master Grade 1100 Sinanju Stein narrative version. This will be out January 19th with a price of 8,100 yen. Then we have a kit that a lot of people have been waiting for, is the Master Grade 1100 Dynames Gundam. This will be out in March of 2019 with a price of 4,860 yen. Then we have the High Grade 1144 Neo Zeong, the narrative version. This will be released February of 2019 with a price of 28,080 yen. Next, we have the P. Bandai Real Grade 1144 Unicorn Gundam 02 Banshee Norn Final Battle Version. This will be released February of 2019 with a price of 4,320 yen. Then we have the P. Bandai HGUC 1144 Narrative Gundam B PAX add-on set. We don't have a release date for this kit yet, but we have a price of 1,404 yen. Next, we have the P. Bandai Master Grade 1100 Gundam F91 version 2.0 After Image Color. This will be released February of 2019 with a list price of 4,320 yen. That's it for the latest kits coming out for this news. And now we move on to the Gunpla Network Top 5 builds. In 5th place, we have Randy Minimal and his Chameleon Sazabi. In 4th place, we have Sung Kyung Park and his RX-124 Gundam TR6 Woundwort Zeong. In 3rd place, we have Alex Caesar Ayers and his G System Best 148 New Gundam. Sorry if I've said your last name incorrectly. In 2nd place, we have Sarawoot Wa Femai and their HG1144 AC Guy 4 prototype. And in 1st place, we have Chris Ramirez and his MG EXS. Congratulations, Chris, on winning 1st place. And now it's time for your Gunpla Network YouTube updates. On YouTube, we have an unboxing of the MG1100 Full Saber Quan-T. We have also posted a episode of Gunpla Insider with Win Em Ong, Thailand's GBWC 2018 champion. We have also posted a review of the Real Grade 1144 Ale Strike. Is it worth the buy or not? And finally, on YouTube, we have the first look and lore at the high-grade 1144 Dynames Gundam Custom Paint. And now it's time to wrap up the Gunpla Network news updates for November 29th, 2018. To see some of the greatest custom kits, head to our Instagram page. For all the fresh Gunpla news, please visit gunplanetwork.com. For one of the greatest Facebook communities, please check out the Gunpla Network Facebook group. That's it, and keep building as usual.